Welcome to Zeeshan Institute. If you're a job holder, a busy student, or facing study-related challenges in managing your virtual university LMS, we are here to support you. At Zeeshan Institute, we provide essential LMS guidance and support, assignment and quiz concept help, GDB and subject understanding, lecture watching guidance, project assistance, and thesis support.
Get ready with our mid and final exam preparation support. Access current official exam papers to help you succeed. We provide handouts in hard form at low prices. Our goal is to help you understand your subjects better. Improve your CGPA through proper learning support. Our prices are very affordable. Check our reviews. For details and booking, WhatsApp us at 0313-5610-637. Thank you for choosing us. Join our WhatsApp channel for future updates. Get support link given below in description. Connect with us for the best experience. Stay connected and informed. Your feedback is invaluable to us.